Welcome to the introduction to the natural language to SQL AI architecture presentation. For cybersecurity professionals to effectively guide software teams in building secure applications, those cybersecurity professionals must possess a practical understanding of the software architectures that create and expand attack surfaces. This is arguably the most important challenge in the IT industry today. This need is even more critical with emerging AI-driven systems where new architectural patterns introduce novel risks, dependencies, and new threat vectors. So before any of you cybersecurity people start having a panic attack, you do not need to be a software engineer. Now, if you're going to actually build software applications, designing, developing, testing, and deploying software does in fact require technologists to be highly trained in software engineering, but this is required only for the software development team. However, merely understanding software applications does not require cybersecurity professionals to have an extensive background in software engineering. Provided, of course, the software team is able to fully collaborate and explain their software applications with professional clarity and accuracy. In this training series, we will demonstrate how to achieve detailed, clear, and highly effective collaboration between software development and cybersecurity teams. This presentation is part of the cited training series, Secure IT Infrastructure Demystified. The link is number 1 in the description of this YouTube post. And if we take a quick look at that, all of the trainings here you see are enumerated, and this natural language to SQL training series will become item number 8. So the audience, besides cybersecurity professionals, technologists need to have AI on their resumes and have there authentically, so they have a full comprehensive understanding of the new technologies. Everyone needs to have that on their resume. Number 2, senior managers, what the heck is really happening with commercial grade professional AI systems? And then AI, I think everyone agrees it's a highly interesting discipline. So this is for anyone and everyone that really wants to know what's happening. It's also part of the training series we have at ISC2, where I am a mentor. And my name is Conrad Krenak. And besides holding CISSP certification, I also have substantial experience in executing large-scale cybersecurity, business intelligence, and web projects. And I've worked for several large organizations. I have a relatively unique name, so I'm easy to find on LinkedIn. Just to reemphasize, cybersecurity professionals must understand software architectures. All right, so what is this? Well, here's the micro introduction. So first of all, we have a browser, a program up here, and our buddy wants to ask some type of question, maybe what are my 5 best-selling products by gross revenue? This is the natural language question. The AI host here, which is any one of these, either large language models or small language models, and that AI will take that natural language question and transform it into an SQL select, which now can be understood by our SQL data server. It'll send that SQL select to the data server. It'll return an SQL data set. And then finally, we'll get the response of the 5 best-selling products by gross revenue. That's a very, very high level introduction. We'll be getting into the glorious details in the next presentation. So in case you missed it the first two times, cybersecurity professionals must understand software architectures. Again, the link to this entire series is in the description. And this may sound intimidating, but rest assured, we will guide you through the entire architecture. It'll be entirely clear, and you'll be thrilled out of your minds.